Ontario Hydro is racing to restore power to a main transmission corridor north of Grand Valley. Saturday's tornado knocked down 3 50-meter towers. As Maya Sari reports, each day of transmission loss costs Hydro thousands.
Power in these hydro lines was cut off even before the towers hit the ground Saturday. But since then, for Ontario Hydro, the meter's been running.
The biggest challenge is to try to get the service, the line back in service as quick as possible. It's very, very costly for these lines to be out.
Every day without power flowing through the Bruce-Milton corridor costs Hydro about $75,000. Since Sunday, Hydro crews and equipment from all over the province have been trekking to the site just north of Grand Valley. Parts for 3 new towers are coming in from as far as Chicago. To save time, the first tower was being assembled today behind the township garage for East Luther. Hydro says it would be better to build this on site, but the problem is getting there.
As you can see, our driving force right now is the roads. We can't get into the job site, so we have to build roads in order to get in there and start getting the towers up.
Heavy cranes and other machinery are needed about a kilometer from the nearest road. As it is, Concession 6 of East Luther is turning into a mudway from the heavy rain and heavy trucks. About 50 people are working from dawn to dusk. Nelson says the road should be all the way back in by Friday. The whole restoration project is worth about $2 million. Still, officials here say the electricity won't be flowing for at least another 10 to 12 days. Maya Sari, News Now, East Luther Township.